This is the Hoppvals Cellular Blind from IKEA, beach color. One of the three in the living room area, which we bought to match the decor here. So this is the first one. This is the second one. All three of them we bought in October 2018. And this is the third one here. All are beach color. You can see that how easy it is to operate. And having used it for 2 years, in November 2020, we went ahead and bought three more. We bought these three for this bedroom, the blue color to match the decor of this room. This is the second one here. You can see that each one is of different size. And the third one here. So you can see that the operation is very smooth and simple. The assembly was also very easy. Though I did the beach color blind 6 years back, I have not posted the video of that. The video of this blue color blind I have uploaded. You can find the video link above and also in the description below. So friends, in this video, I am going to review this almost 6-year-old blinds of this living room and the bedroom blinds which are 3.5 years old now. So my request to all the viewers is please watch the video till the end, because first of all, I'm going to give the reasons for reviewing these blinds after so many years, and I'll also be explaining in detail about the product. I'm sure those of you who have bought these blinds or who plan to buy one will find this very useful. So before going to the review, I will just share a few details of this product and also explain some of the features. So firstly, the color of the blinds. Nowadays only blue and white colors are available. Earlier we got this beach color. You get these blinds in different sizes. That is width varies between 60 and 140 centimeters. That is 60 centimeters, 80 centimeters, 100, 120 and 140 centimeters width. And the height is fixed, that is 155 centimeters. The price of the blinds ranges from 2290 to 3290. As such, there is no assembly of this product. It is just fitting the blind on two brackets. So the work involves only fitting of these two brackets on the wall. And it can be fitted either on the ceiling or on the wall. So you can see that here the brackets are fitted on the wall, and here you can see it is fitted on the ceiling. This is not exactly a ceiling, but it is similar to a ceiling. On the upper portion the bracket has been fixed. I have explained this difference in bracket fitting, that is on the ceiling and on the wall, in my Hoppvals video. And the material is polyester, and the maintenance is very simple. You have to just wipe it with a dry cloth. But one disadvantage is, unlike other blinds, this blind cannot be cut to your desired width. You are already getting 5 different widths, so you cannot cut the blind. So there may be many parts of the household where one fits the blinds at a higher position, that is near the ceiling, whereby the pulling down of the blind will become difficult. So in such a case, you get a rod to pull down the blind, the Rictig rod from IKEA, which is useful to pull down the blind very easily. Last but not the least, these blinds effectively darken the room, that is, they block the light. It also keeps the room warm. With all these features, this Hoppvals blinds is an amazing product, and it is very popular throughout the world, and many people have bought this and have posted their reviews in IKEA website. I have gone through them. There are almost 600 reviews, and most of them have given 4 or 5 star rating, and I too agree with that. But then you must be wondering, if the blinds are so popular, then why this review after so many years? Well, I'm coming to that now. There is a problem in this blinds. So as I mentioned earlier, I have in all 6 Hoppvals blinds, out of which 2 of them developed some issues after 3 years of regular usage. One of the beige Hoppvals blinds in the hall, in the living room, and the other one in the bedroom, blue color. So both of them developed some issues, and after that I went over to the reviews in the website, and I noted that, like me, there are people who buy, not just, I just bought 6 blinds. There are people who buy 10s and 20s of blinds for their windows in their households, and some of them have also mentioned about their issues, the issues they faced in some of these blinds. Out of the 10-20 blinds, 1 or 2 they have faced issues after a few years. I faced after 3 years. Some of the recent reviews also mention that some people have faced issues within a couple of months of usage of the blinds. So when I found out that it's not just me, but there are many people out there who have faced this issue, I thought let me explain this in detail through my video, and also make it a means to reach out to IKEA to find a solution to this problem and also give a suggestion of sorts. So after 3 years of regular usage, one fine day I found out that this particular blind was not going up. I couldn't roll it up. It was falling like this, and initially it was tilted on one side. Try what may, it was not going up. So in this particular window, this blind is always down. So this is the issue I'm talking about. Now similarly in this blue blind, after 3 years of usage, that is just 3-4 months back, the same problem occurred, and you can see that it's very difficult to roll it up back now. So it just falls like this. Now I'll explain what exactly is the problem. So I'm pulling down the curtain, the blinds. Now I'm drawing it up. So this is how it operates. The mechanism has a long spring and elastic thread with pulleys. On closer look, this is how the mechanism looks. The long spring and this elastic threads with the pulleys. This is a blind which has got the issue, which we have removed. So you can see that the spring here is intact and nothing has happened to the spring. The problem lies in this area only. Either the elasticity of the thread seems to have gone, or the threads are misaligned, due to which the pulling up and down of the blind stops working. So as you see, this seems to be the issue, and doesn't look to be a major problem or major issue. If there is some way by which this particular thing can be addressed by IKEA, there is some service provided, maybe this problem can be solved and we can get this blind to function again, rather than disposing it off and buying a new one. It will not only cost money, but we will also find it difficult to dispose it, because in a country like India there is no organized recycling methods. Anything other than plastic or paper or cardboards will go into the garbage. So we will not know what to do with a product like this. So if IKEA can provide a solution to this, so the solution would be either repair or service or replace. Like they can take this and give us a new one at a lesser price. If that is not possible, the most ideal solution would be to work on the design. Whatever minor issue is there, if they are able to modify it or rectify it such that this issue doesn't occur. Hope IKEA takes this as a suggestion from an ardent IKEA fan, IKEA product user, whatever you may call, and works on this. It would be very helpful to all those people who are IKEA product lovers and who buy lots of products from IKEA. So this not only reduces waste, but also will be in line with IKEA's sustainability goals and their commitment towards a better planet. So friends, I hope you find this video useful and also interesting. Please share your thoughts, whatever it is, whether you plan to buy or you already have one and you have faced a similar situation, and since how long you have been using and which part of the world you are using it in. I would like to hear from all of you. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another video. Till then, it is bye-bye from Bhuvana. And my next video is going to be the Songa Sand bed frame, which I'll be uploading very soon. Please look out for the same. Bye-bye.